श्री गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम श्री स्वामी शिवानंद परमहंसायने नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Namaste to everybody. I welcome you all for our Livia Yoga Life channel. I am very happy to meet you all often over these episodes. I hope you are all enjoying the last episodes also. We are doing some practical knowledge and we are giving the theory part also. So today's topic is yoga and the calmness. Calmness, of course, connected with our mind, no? When a person is very much angry, what do we say? Please cool down, calm down. When a person is in a very sorrow mood, we say, please calm down. Always we say, calm down, calm down, calm down. What should be calm down? Either your thoughts or your breathing. What do you want to calm down? That is a big question. But without understanding the science behind that, the mechanism behind that, the beautiful techniques given by all the Rishi, Muni, Yogis and our Gurujis, they have given a beautiful technique. Without understanding that, we are telling that calm down, calm down, calm down. How? How can a person be calmed down, no? Suddenly, without knowing anything. If I am in a deep sleep, I am calming down. Of course, there is no issue. But my mind is beyond my control. I feel anxiety sometimes. I am angry sometimes. I am so sorrowful sometimes. Sometimes I am in a very bubbly mood. How can I calm down the mind? The calmness is highly possible through your breath control. That is pranayama. When we come to the pranayama session, I will tell you what is going on in pranayama. But today, I would like to explain what is happening in the pranayama. The breathing coming and going through the nostril holes, no. Do you feel it is your breathing? We say it is a breathing. But it is working as a silencer from the vehicle. It is working as a silencer of a vehicle. Why? The oxygen is going inside and the blood is oxygenated and the pure blood is given inside that. Then what happened to the impure blood rotating inside? From the impure blood, the carbon dioxide is removed and it is pushed out. Right? So motors also, all the vehicles also doing the same. You are giving a fuel, it is burning inside and the unwanted smoke and the carbon monoxide and the carbon dioxide, all the dirt comes out through the silencer. Right? Same way happening here. So this external breathing is the waste coming out through the combustion inside happening in all the cells. But it also matters. When the breathing going inside, the oxygenated blood is circulated all over the body. There it matters. When the oxygenated blood is supplied all over the body, including the brain cells, in all the convulsions, the blood is beautifully supplied. When the brain has become oxygenated, when the unwanted carbon dioxide deposits from the brain cells are removed, the brain cells are responding in the other way, the calmness. That is why the good breathing habit is most important. Most of the time we do the shallow breathing. It goes slowly. The length is very shorter. We call it as a shallow breathing. Oxygen supply is very less. When the breathing taking in is 50% reduced, then the oxygen supply to the brain cell is again 50% reduced. Only 25% reaches the brain. You don't get the clarity. You cannot understand what is going around you. You cannot calm down your angriness. No? So what should we do? We have to improve the breath length. The breathing going inside beautifully, making the mind calm. That you have to understand. And the exhalation is slowly taking place. When we practice all this, we feel the calmness of the mind. So early morning, if you don't do anything, forget about the yoga, forget about the pranayam, forget about the asanas, forget about the Surya Namaskar, right? What can you do? Just take your cup of tea, sit on the chair, relax, open the windows, see the nature, and come to your calmness of the mind through your breathing. So what can you do? Through the breathing, you are having that, and let the breathing be very normal. You don't do anything. How is my breathing? The inhalation and the exhalation, you have to observe. Just for 5 minutes. My breathing is going in and coming out. Going in, coming out. Along with that, you say, I am relaxed. Add the word, I am relaxed. Keep repeating the word, relax, relax. In a relaxed way, within a couple of minutes, your mind is calming down. Start your day with this practice. Have a tea and say thousands of thanks to God. Why? Because I am not hospitalized. I am free from the COVID-19. I am not a victim of that corona. Thinking about all the things happening for others, I am safe. Say thousands of thanks to God. See, the brain cells and all over the body, each and every cell is relaxing. When the mind is relaxing, you feel the relaxation of the entire body. This relaxation is not only relaxing the mind, it is relaxing the tension in all the cells, the stress in the cells. When the cells are free from the stress and the tension, the metabolism is beautifully taken place. When the metabolism is beautifully working inside the body, your digestive system functions properly, your breathing system is okay, your excretory okay, your skeletal okay, neuro okay, all the systems are functioning beautifully. Then what do you want more than that? So my dear friends, I tell you, kindly do the practice through the breathing. When you take the cup of coffee in the early morning, every day practice this. Take up, it is your own personal practice. Keep it as your personal practice to entertain the whole day in a very joyful way. Right? Have a tea, relax, breathe in and breathe out for 5 minutes. Keep telling the word in your mind, relax, relax. Any holy word also you can say. No? Amen you can say. Oh my Jesus you can say. Oh my Allah you can say. Om you can say. Or you, if you don't want to say anything, relax. That's it. Within a couple of minutes, your body, mind and the breathing is relaxing. So with that, I hope you have understood about the silencing of the mind, calmness of the mind, how to make it. It is a deeper subject. We cannot talk completely within this 10-15 minutes of the time, but definitely I am ready to help you all. Those who are interested, if you have any clarifications, if you want to attend the one-to-one personal class, or if you want to enjoy the core of the subject, we offer the online classes also. You can apply or register for that. Our website is www.livia.in. So online classes will give you more clarity, discussions will be more, you can ask many questions. I am ready to give the clarifications for you. That things are all happening there, right? So hope you all enjoyed this. I will meet you in the next episode. Namaste.